entire marine ecology has been destroyed by this destruction, massive destruction. And then also the people who are residing in these areas are exposed to flooding. With mangroves is a natural barriers, we all know. So these natural barriers are being destroyed. Once these are destroyed, and rainwater will come in, and houses, and there is danger for life, human life. So we want immediate action. Our demand is that immediate action should be taken against this massive destruction of mangroves.
If you have something happening like this in your backyard, you see trucks passing in the night with large logs of wood, you know that it is not being done legally. Please say something. So many days people have seen this, nobody said anything. I've come up only to say that.
Workers were staying here illegally. They built small temporary sheds. They filled up the fields. They put cement, stone, and cement. The workers have disappeared. They made the workers disappear because they will tell us the truth. So they are no longer here. See this, where they have kept also the mangrove cut wood. So the workers are also disappeared. Nobody is here. The contractor is not here. Nobody is here. So all those people who are involved, they are also not there.